Hey guys, Fonzie from DipYourCar.com. Wanted to let you know that today we are having a flash sale. 19% off everything on the website. So if you needed something, now may be a very good time. Like maybe a car kit, or a wheel kit, or an emblem kit, or a Plasti Dip gallon, or maybe a Plasti Dip aerosol, or dip coat, or dip dissolver, brake dust professional, maybe a spudger tool, canvas brake masking bags, tape and drape, microfiber towel, decals, maybe a DYC t-shirt, or some dip coat extract scented spray. You know, lots of different stuff. Proline, Autoflex, dip pearl top coat, dip pearls, micro flakes. You know, any of that stuff if you happen to need it. If you don't, that's cool too. If you need any help, you can chat with us directly on the website or call in. Love to talk to you guys about your projects. It's Fonzie. See you later.